Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify gamma and contrast issues using DaVinci Resolve. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Select the clip you want to analyze from the timeline. Go to the color workspace by clicking on the color tab at the bottom of the screen. In the color workspace, locate the scopes panel on the right side. If the scopes panel is not visible, click on the view menu at the top. Select scopes from the drop-down to enable it. Choose the appropriate scope for your analysis, such as the waveform or vector scope. The waveform will help you assess gamma levels across the luminance spectrum. The vector scope provides information about color saturation and hues. Look at the waveform to check for clipping in the highlights or shadows. Adjust the gamma settings using the lift, gamma, and gain wheels. Use the lift wheel for shadow adjustments, the gamma wheel for midtones, and the gain wheel for highlights. Monitor the waveform as you make adjustments. Aim to keep the footage within the safe levels on the waveform. Switch to the vector scope to check for color balance and saturation. Ensure that skin tones lie within the designated zone on the vector scope. Adjust color saturation using the saturation slider in the color panel. Verify that your adjustments enhance the image without introducing artifacts. Once satisfied with the settings, proceed to export your file. Review the final output to ensure gamma and contrast are accurately represented. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.